Good afternoon, Judson Bobo here with Everything Billiards and Spas in Charlotte, North Carolina. This is the Caldera Seychelles. It's one of our best-selling spas from Caldera. It comes equipped with the salt system. It has a lounge seat and the Euphoria jet. It's an 84 by 84 spa, just a really good selling unit for people who like that lounge seat and want the ease and convenience of having the salt system. Also has the Euphoria jet, which is arguably my favorite jet in the whole Caldera series. Come check it out today. Locations in Charlotte, Huntersville, Greensboro, and Winston-Salem.